Welcome to SenEarthCo. This is an internet-based association management system. This will enable homeowners, property managers, board members, and service providers to communicate quickly and efficiently. The software will allow you access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All your accounting information is in real time. You can report a maintenance item. You can pay on your account. You can obtain community documents, such as your bylaws, rules, and regulations. Or you can actually send an email to your property manager and let them know of a concern or a question you may have. Board members can view the meeting minutes. They can look at their reports online. They can set a broadcast communication to all the homeowners, and they can also track current violations. In order to do this, though, you need to create your account. So on the opening screen of the SenEarthCo, where you would normally use your username and password to sign in, the very first time you're going to need to create your account. This is easy enough, and there'll be drop-down menus to help you go through the different steps. The first thing, though, is we need to set up your property. When a property is set up, the co-owners receive a welcome letter from Piper Management Group. This will include a personal access code to set up their user ID. Once you are registered, you can update that information at any time or change your password. All you need to do is go to the Manage Account menu. In this menu, you will have your email address, your first and last name. You can choose from a number of different security questions, submit your answer, hopefully something that you'll remember, and then of course it'll have your default address, city, and if you would like, you can also include a home or work phone number. You are not required to, but it does make our job a little easier. Okay, you've tackled the first task. You have your username and your password. So now you can log in anytime you please. You'll automatically be directed to your property's welcome page or your home page. You'll have 6 main menus where you can choose to enter your account, and you can manage payments. You can look at statements, any assessments that are out there. You can put homeowner services. If you have someone that you'd like to recommend who's maybe done some work on your home and you feel that this is a reputable person that you'd like to share, we can do that under the homeowner services. Community information is where you'll find contacts, property information, property policies, and documents. You can search documents or just scroll through the directory and choose from there. Communications, this is where newsletters, calendars, messages, emails, these will be kept in a safe storage area for you to access at any time. Maintenance is probably the most common request that we receive. You can recreate a new maintenance request. You can look at old or currently pending request, or you could submit a common area. If you notice something within your community that you feel needs attention, you can submit this there. We're going to visit the maintenance request for a moment. You can choose your request from the menu, and you again can view prior requests and the status of them. That's the beauty of this system, is as your work orders are completed, they can be reported online, and then you know when someone has either scheduled to come to your home, or if they have completed the task, if it's an exterior item, or if they need entry and we wanted to get that communication to you. When you choose your request, you're going to have 3 areas that you are going to need to narrow it down to: building exterior, common areas, home or unit interior. Now, depending on your bylaws and your rules and regulations, Some items may be the association's responsibility and some may be yours. Your system will have a built-in menu. And when you go through this and you see the item that you would like to go and submit on, the submenu will appear and you'll be able to click at that time. When you click on this, it will give you a message. So if the item you have chosen is your responsibility, it will alert you of that. When you are entering the work order, we ask that you be as thorough and detailed as possible. It's very important that we are able to look through your eyes and understand where your concerned area is. You can also leave phone numbers, email, a cell number, or if you're very savvy, you could take a picture and upload it to us, and that actually will speak 1,000 words. Once you have clicked onto your create request, your work order is emailed to the property manager and logged into the system history. If you have included an email address, you will also receive updates as they are available. So you are not required to actually go back in and look at the history of your work order if you are concerned on whether or not it's been completed. If you have submitted your information properly, then you'll automatically get those answers. Other services, again, include making payments and printing statements. In the payment area, we have a few different options for you. If you're mailing your payments in, you may still do so. If you would like to pay by a credit card or an e-check, those options are also available. Please note that it is a third-party system that actually processes these payments, so you need to make sure that you're reading all the fine print for any fees that may be associated. When you're looking at your statement, it'll be itemized by date and what type of description, whether it be a credit or a debit. Do you have an ACH payment? Is it just a billing? It should all be there, and it should be very clean and simple to read. If it's not, feel free to pick up the phone and call your property manager. Your answers will be directed to the appropriate party. That could be someone in the accounting department, could be your property manager, or it could be a simple thing that any number of persons in our office can answer for you. But rest assured, if you do not understand it, we are here to answer those questions. We hope this introduction to the SenEarthCo system was helpful and that you will take a few minutes and enroll your home so you can join us in a community communications and stay in the know. One thing we'd like to know is that if you are not comfortable, if this is not what you would like to do, your options are still the same as they always have been. Pick up the phone and give us a call. Drop us a line. You can send us an email. You can let us have a note by mail. Whatever you're comfortable with, that's what we're comfortable with. Thank you. From Piper Management Group.